Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson, The Lost Child. In our previous session, we came to know that the child tried to search his parents near the temple. But in front of temple, there was overcrowd, or every inch of that place was congested. Then also child made his way between the legs of people, and he was crying for the mother. Then a man saw the child and he lifted him up in his arms, and later he asked the child whose child was he and how did he come there. In return, child just cried, "I want my father, I want my mother." Later, man took the child near the roundabout and he asked if the child was willing to have a ride on roundabout especially horse. Okay. Then again child cried, "I want my mother, I want my father." Now let us continue. The man headed towards the place where the snake charmer still played on the flute to the swaying cobra. "Listen to that nice music, child," he pleaded. But the child shut his ears with his fingers and shouted his double-pitched strain, "I want my mother, I want my father." See, the man moved towards the place where the snake charmer still played on the flute to the swaying cobra. You know, already boy had seen that snake charmer and snake, and he did not stand there because that kind of music, unpleasant music, should not be heard. So he left that place. He had left that place. You know that. Again, this man, this trained man, took the child to the same place where the snake charmer still played on the flute to swaying cobra. Still, snake was swaying its head. "Listen to that nice music, child," he pleaded. He said to the child, "Listen to that nice music." But child shut his ears with his fingers. Then child shut his ears with his fingers, okay, and shouted his double-pitched strain. Okay, how much possible, that much voice he increased. Okay, double-pitched strain. In a loud voice he screamed, "I want my mother, I want my father." Okay, the man took him near the balloons. Then man took him near the balloons, thinking the bright colors of the balloon would distract the child's attention and quieten him. That man thought the bright color of the balloon may distract the child's attention. Okay, he may forget about his missing parents for a moment and he may become quiet. Thinking like that, he took that child near the balloon. "Would you like a rainbow colored balloon?" Okay, then that man asked to the child, "Would you like a rainbow colored balloon?" He persuasively asked. Persuasively means, you see there, a manner intended to convince or persuade. Okay. The child turned his eyes from the flying balloons and just sobbed. Okay. Child turned his eyes from the flying balloons and just he sobbed, continued his sobbing. "I want my mother, I want my father." Okay. Again child is telling the same thing. The man, still trying to make the child happy, still he wanted to make that child happy, bore him means carried him, bore him means carried him, okay, to the gate where the flower seller sat. He took him to the flower seller. Look, can you smell those nice flowers, child? Would you like a garland to put round your neck? He asked her, can you smell those nice flowers and would you like a garland to put around your neck? He asked to the child. The child turned his nose away from the basket and reiterated his soul. I want my mother, I want my father. See, the child turned his nose away from the basket and reiterated means repeated his soul. I want my mother, I want my father. Again he said the same thing. Thinking to humor his disconsolated charge by a gift of sweets, the man took him to the counter of sweet shop. Yes, in order to make him happy, okay, in order to humor his disconsolate charge, okay, in order to bring him out of his unhappy condition, okay, the man, he took him to the sweet seller, okay, by the gift of sweets. He wanted to give gift of sweets to this child. The man took him to the counter of sweet shop. What sweets would you like, child? He asked. Okay, what sweets would you like? He asked the child. The child turned his face from the sweet shop and only sobbed. Again, same reaction from the child. The child turned his face from the sweet shop and only sobbed. I want my mother, I want my father. Okay. Again, same thing is said. Here we can see when the child was there with his parents, he wanted all these things. He wanted to have them all. He wanted to possess them all. But now this man is offering all these things. The child doesn't want those things. Here we can see when the child missed his parents, his desire is only to get back his parents. More than that, the child doesn't want anything. Okay. So when the man offered all those things, the child refused them all. He just said, I want my mother, I want my father. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session.